Hey, this is JB Benna with Benna Luxury here in Reno's beautiful Monte Rosa Estates, and this is 3910 Nature Trail. The house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a den, 2,500 square feet on a little over a half acre with a 3-car garage. Let's take a look. Thanks for joining us today at 3910 Nature Trail. It's a beautiful home on a good-sized lot close to the amenities. You've got the Summit Mall just down the road, Mount Rose Ski Resort about 15 minutes up the highway. I'm JB Benna with Benna Luxury. Check out our website, benna.re, for more listings and private exclusives, and we'll see you next time.